Hello, my name is Dr. Tamer Al-Ayoum. I'm teaching strategic management at the British University in Dubai. Strategic management is a very important topic that we care a lot about in the Masters of Business Administration. So we focus on graduating future leaders, those who are able to find solutions to their organizations and discover new concepts and come up with new ideas that are able to build up successful organizations for the future. The focus of the module was turning the theories of strategic management into practice and into practical solutions. So we have split the students into teams, and we have given each team a real-life strategic project that they should realize and do a feasibility study for, so that this project is able to see life and is able to succeed in the future. Okay. That's another thing as well. You know, if you go to, if you're a consultant and you're hired to do business and you're asked to deliver something. So delivery, okay? Delivery is very important. Again, it's integrity and trust. In business, and this is one of the lessons, what study are you doing for the business? Yeah, what study? Feasibility. And feasibility is based on what? Yeah, but if I'm a business person and I want you to advise me, so there needs to be what between us? Trust, and agreement, transparency. So if you don't come on time and you don't say that there is something wrong, then I would assume that you can't keep the commitment, right? As a business person, it will be that harsh. It will be that harsh, okay? How did you know that there is a strategic gap? Why did you select the UAE identity as a value that you want to drive? See, again, we can speak about concepts and ideas. It's all about, here my question is evidence and statistics. I'm asking an evidence question, not ideas yet. Ideas are coming later. Now I'm asking about evidence, because the key to the door is trust. Like, why would I trust you? So I need to see. If I say if it's not true, tell me statistics that it's true. Tell me no, I have data that it's true, right? So you're playing core competencies and you're depending on brands, which can be easily imitatable. Anybody can take the franchise. How can you not be imitatable? In which sector that you want to deliver in this value?
Actually, the concept was mixing the UAE with the
Have? Do people perceive UAE as camels and?
Not everybody. I'm not saying everybody, but the educated people who visit the UAE, you know.
It's not a debate. You ask the question, the answer, jury plus judge. They will decide.
I can come with any figure. Nobody can challenge the answer.
Haram! Haram! Say who's going to ask, and we stop. Nobody's going to ask it. But you can say, I have two questions.